Hello and welcome to CreateLoveShare. Today I have an unboxing to do for you. This is from a company called VIP Cross Stitch. So it is a bunch of cross stitches. So I'm really excited to get in here and have a look and see how these guys go. So this company approached me about a month ago and asked me if I would like to do an unboxing of some of their products and try them out. So I said, yeah, no worries. So I went over and had a look on their website. They actually have a really large range of cross stitches on there and cross stitch accessories. They have embroidery and all sorts of bits and pieces there. So yeah, check out their website. It was really easy to navigate, and they have a lot of stuff. So they have both counted cross stitch and stamped cross stitch as well, and all different sizes. So let's get into this unboxing. So it has come in this plastic bag, and I've just cut that there just to make it a bit easier. So I'll get these guys out. Pop that over there. So I have 3 of them to show you today, and I'm pretty darn happy that they come in these nice plastic bags. So we'll get started with this one. That feels like it's the smallest one. So they come in these bags, which is really handy. I am loving this. On the back of your bag you have instructions on how to do your cross stitch all the way down the bottom there. And they're quite thick, these bags. And on the front you have what you have ordered. And it is a Joy Sundae cross stitch. Now I've done a few Joy Sundaes, and I must say I am quite happy with their products. I found their charts and all that very easy to read, and yeah, I think the canvas quality and stuff has been really good. So up the top here it tells you that you have cotton thread, a needle, and instructions, and under this sticker, cotton fabric, shows you that the field. And it shows you down the bottom there 14 counts. This is a 14 count stamped cross stitch. It is 27 by 19 centimeters. So with these bags, they're just resealable. I love that. And what I do is when I'm doing my project, I store my floss cards in here as I'm working on them, and it keeps them from getting stuff caught in them and, you know, them getting all tangled. Get it out. So in your kit you have your sheet. Nothing on the back. That was exciting. You have your chart. So nice and colorful. No problem at all reading that. I just loved it. I thought it was so awesome. And this is a full counted cross stitch. It's not a partial. That's gorgeous. Oh yep, you got stuff on the back. So you've got your thumbnail, as it were, and you have your cross-referencing for your DMC colors. And you've got your floss. So your floss comes on these really it's actually quite thick cardboard, and they're all pre-sorted for them, which is really nice. Got some really pretty colors. I just thought that was really nice and colorful. And then in this little bag here you've got 2 needles somewhere in there. There we go. 2 needles, 14 count. There you go, 14 count, and you stitch with 2 threads. Very nice. And over here you have your, so this actually feels like Aida cloth, but it's a little, just a fraction stiffer than Aida cloth. And it is pre-stamped, as you can see. The field, and on your edging there they have hemmed it, which is really nice. It's a nice touch, that, so it's not going to unravel on you. And then down the bottom here you have your color coding to match what's going on in there. So I'm just having a bit of a close look. So one thing I've found with these stamped cross stitches is that it has, like, down here you've got symbols, and a lot of times because your little 14 count squares are quite small, those symbols kind of get lost on them, but it's no problem sort of cross-referencing it anyway. But yeah, it just, they kind of blur out and just color the whole square. I can see these crosses here. I'll bring that a little bit closer. So you can see the crosses, you can see those really easy, so that's nice. That is color number 6. But look, I don't think there's going to be any drama there with that, and they've gridded it off for you, which is nice and handy. 10 by 10s. That looks really nice. So that is cross stitch number 1. Cross stitch number 2, again in your resealable bag. Another Joy Sundae, and up the top there it tells you you've got your thread, needle, instructions, etc., etc. This is a really gorgeous sampler. It's a 28 by 36 centimeter, 14 count, and it is stamped as well. Get in there and have a bit of a sticky bee. Ooh, that looks pretty. Ooh, that's so colorful. Okay, so like with the other one, there is your cover sheet. It tells you cotton fabric, cotton thread, needle, and instructions. It's got what it looks like when it's finished. Love, and on the bottom it tells you it's 14 count, and you do it 2 strands, 28 by 36 centimeters. Wow, this is really nice and shiny. Gee, isn't that super duper clear? So there's your instructions. There's the bottom half of your instructions. So nice and glossy and thick. So there is your graph. No problems at all seeing that. That is super duper easy to read. So you got some back stitching going on there, which is nice. And down the bottom there it has, yep, there we go. So that's page 3. Page 4. And on the back you've got page 1 and 2. Oh, I thought this was so pretty. I love samplers. I do a lot of samplers, and I thought this was really bright, colorful. It's really pretty. How gorgeous is that? And then you've got your, here we go. So full cross stitch color key there, right down to your back stitch. So I really like it when you've got different colored back stitches. I really love how the effect of that comes up. Looks really, really good. And then on the back, I believe, yep, you've got French knot. So there's no problems at all following that. And you've got your colors. Wow, they're super long. Woo. Check that out. So you've got your colors. There are 23 colors on that one. Really, really pretty, pretty colors. Oh, I think I'm going to do that one first. Really nice and long. I found that the quality of their floss is actually quite good. I haven't had any problems with it, and I'm like a dedicated DMC floss person, but I love this floss. It's great. Gosh, they're super duper long. And in here we go, 14 count over 2 threads, and you've got 2 needles as well. Where are your needles? There you go. So when I do my cross stitching, I just work straight off these guys. So I just pop that straight in the little bag, the resealable bag that it comes in. Keeps my work nice and clean and tidy, and I can find it. That's gorgeous. Pop him over there. And our canvas. So again, this is it's actually Aida cloth, a little bit stiffer Aida cloth. Tells you what it is on there. It's gridded up by your 10 by 10s, which is nice. So I'm looking at it pretty closely, but that's looking pretty good. A bit closer. I don't think there's going to be an issue with that. And I mean, if you have any issue, those that graph is really, really super clear. And there's your color key down the bottom. Again, with your symbols, you know, they look nice, but when you actually see it in reality, they do blur a bit, but it doesn't matter. It's easy enough to see, and you've got all your backstitching guide down the side. So look, no trouble at all. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh my, I can't wait to do that one. And what a perfect size too. It's a really, really good size. That's so pretty. And again, you've got your hemmed edging. I love that. And last but not least, again, it is another Joy Sundae. Again, it's in this lovely plastic bag. Excuse me. This one, Christmas coming up. I thought I have to get a Christmas cross stitch. This one is a stamped one as well, and it is 14 count as well, and it is your Christmas owls. How cute is that? And on the bottom it tells you the size, 48 by 18 centimeters. It is a 14 count, and you use 2 strands. Oh gosh, that's so cute. And again, they all come with the standard directions on the back. Christmas owls. Oh gosh, that's so cute. So I'm hoping I'm going to have enough time to actually get this finished in time for Christmas. So if I do, I'll put up a works in progress review video on that one before Christmas if I can. Down the bottom, yep, got your bits and pieces there. So there is your graph, again on that really good quality glossy paper. Really super easy to see. How cute, that's so cute, I love it. So down there you've got your page 3. Shows you what it looks like when it's finished. It's got your symbol keys there. Can't miss that. And you've got DMC colors as well, which I really like. Gorgeous. And on the other side, you've got your graph. So look at that. How good is that? Oh, that is so cute. Love it. That's page 1. Page 2. Too easy. Oh, I can't wait to get started on that one. Gorgeous. And look at those colors. So again, you got really long strands. So they've done the your card a little bit different. It's quite thick into the cross stitch of love. Nice and easy to see which number goes with what. Just a different way of displaying it slightly. You've got 2 needles as well. 19 colors. Gorgeous. Beautiful Christmas colors. How beautiful are they? Gee, they're long. There we go. That's better. Gorgeous. Look that up. Over there, and again you've got your really nice 8 cloth Christmas owls, and you've got your lovely hemmed edges, which I really, really like. It's gridded off again, 10 by 10s. Gorgeous. So there's no issues reading that, and like I said, I've done a couple of these before, and I'm just really enjoyed doing them. Actually, they're easy to follow, and the quality's been very good. There's your symbol key down the bottom. So no issues at all reading that. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. So I'll be getting stuck into that pretty quick. There you go. So this is my first unboxing from VIP Cross Stitch. my order came very quickly, considering that our postal systems had a little bit of an issue in the last month or so due to lockdowns and that sort of thing. But considering that, it only took 3 weeks to get here, which I thought was really, really good. And they were really quick. They got this out super duper fast. So there's 3 very different cross stitches that I got from VIP Cross Stitch. So I will be doing reviews on these guys a bit further on down the track when I get these finished. But so far I'm very, very happy with this these cross stitches. So VIP Cross Stitch, go check out the website. Very easy to navigate. They got good prices. I found it really, really good to work with them. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye.